Well, there's no doubt the Kansas City housing market is in a seller's market, and we have prices that have maximized the market even over last year with new prices for homes being sold. One of the questions we are being asked is, if I list my home, should I list it over market value in order to take advantage of this market? Well, keep in mind that buyers are already adjusting in their mindset that they will have to pay list price or more if there's competitive offers in order for them to have an opportunity to purchase a home. So when a seller overprices above what a market will even hold, the buyers just simply aren't interested. They're writing 3 to 6 contracts in order to even get one house. So they are looking for a home they have the best opportunity to achieve a contract accepted for the one that they're going to call home. I get it. We want to maximize the dollar that comes back into your pocket, but overpricing your home isn't the way to make that happen. If you overprice your home, you will find that you have less buyers coming into your home to see the property, which means you also have fewer offers, which means less competitiveness for buyers to bring their best offer forward on all terms of the contract. It'll be shown less, and the longer your house is on the market, the more skeptical buyers will be in a market that's moving at a 24 to 48 hour pace while your home has been on the market for 3 to 7 days. Have questions on how we maximize your price for the best full contract details in this current housing market? We'd be happy to chat. Message us today and we'll set a time just to review how this market can work on your behalf to maximize your price.